Here's how to rent a car on Expedia and save money. First, you want to launch open the Expedia app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the car's icon in the main dashboard screen to launch the mobile search window. Here, enter your pickup location, travel dates, and exact times. To save money instantly, try to match your pickup and drop off times perfectly, as rental companies charge in full 24 hours blocks, and the missing window by even an hour can add a whole extra day to your bill. Once your search result loads, tap on the sort and filter button. Until the sort option, select price low to high to instantly push the cheapest deals to the top of your feed. Filter by car type and select economy or compact vehicles to keep your base rate as low as possible. You also want to look for the free cancellation option. As you scroll through the options, look for vehicles featuring green free cancellation tag. Booking a refundable car early ensures you secure a ride but allows you to check back closer to your trip and rebook seamlessly if the rates drop. Once you find the right vehicle, tap on it to review the rental details. Choose between pay now or reserve and proceed through the mobile checkout screen to finalize your reservation. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.